Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone to your WhatsApp group. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To add someone to your WhatsApp group, firstly open your WhatsApp application. You will arrive on the home page of WhatsApp with your chat lists. Click on the group you want to add a contact or other participants. After you open your group chat, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Group Info. It will display the information of groups with the number of participants on it. To add someone, click on an Add option and choose the contact you want to add. Then click on a green tick mark on the bottom right corner of the screen. This is how you can add someone on your WhatsApp group quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.